Yo, what's up everyone? It's AtWorld. Time is our most valuable asset, right? We're always looking for ways to do more in less time. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 AI tools that are about to change the game in 2025. Let's get into it. First up, we've got ChatGPT. This AI language model is blowing up right now, and for good reason. Imagine having a personal assistant who can draft emails, brainstorm ideas, and even help you learn new skills. It's like having a superpowered brain at your fingertips 24/7. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to get things done faster, ChatGPT is a game changer. Remember when you needed design skills to create stunning visuals? Yeah, those days are over. Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are here to democratize art and design. These AI-powered tools let you generate images from text descriptions. Need a logo for your new project? Just type in your vision and boom, you've got options. It's like having a personal design team on demand without the hefty price tag. Ever wished you could clone your voice or bring back the voice of a loved one? 11 Labs is making that a reality. This AI platform generates incredibly realistic voiceovers from text. You can create audiobooks, narrate videos, even give your digital assistant a unique voice. 11 Labs is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI audio. If you're serious about productivity, you need Notion AI in your life. This AI-powered tool integrates seamlessly with Notion, taking your note-taking and project management to the next level. Notion AI is like having a personal assistant who keeps you organized and on track. Runway ML is about to make you question everything you thought you knew about video editing. This AI-powered platform brings professional-grade video editing tools to everyone. Want to remove the background from a video without green screens? Done. It's like magic, but it's real, and it's changing the game for video creators everywhere. Taking notes during meetings, lectures, or interviews can be a pain. Otter.ai is here to change that. This AI-powered tool provides real-time transcription for all your important conversations. Imagine having a searchable transcript of every meeting, ready to review whenever you need it. It's like having a personal assistant taking notes for you. Creating professional-looking videos just got a whole lot easier with Synthesia. This AI platform lets you create videos with AI presenters who can speak any language. No need for cameras, actors, or expensive studios. Just pure AI-generated awesomeness. Synthesia makes it easy to create engaging video content without breaking the bank. In a world increasingly driven by data and algorithms, it's important to have an ethical compass. That's where Claude AI comes in. Claude is designed to provide unbiased advice and analysis, helping you make smarter, more ethical choices. Remember the days of clunky online translators that produced hilarious but inaccurate results? DeepL is here to change the game. This AI-powered translation tool delivers incredibly accurate and natural-sounding translations in over 25 languages. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to seamless global communication. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel isolated and disconnected. Replica is an AI companion designed to provide mental health support and combat loneliness. It's more than just a chatbot. Replica learns from your interactions, becoming a personalized space where you can express yourself freely. We've just scratched the surface of what AI can do. From automating tasks to boosting creativity and even providing mental health support, these 10 tools are changing the game in every aspect of our lives. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.